Greg Wells, for example, is a Grammy Award-winning producer that has worked with many big-name artists such as Adele, Katy Perry, Michael Bublé, John Legend, and many others. Stated in this video, his go-to settings is to have the slowest attack and fastest release. So let's have a listen to the same vocal take but with these settings.
And by the time we get to rest, I've given you all my love. I like the way that you move around between the sheets, calling me out. And by the time the sun goes down, I've given you